you need me by the beam. Oh, it may be later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. When they said it, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Well, I see you at the show.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite stay-at-home mom, and we're here with another vlog today. So pretty much today I'm just going to be taking you guys through the day with me. I have a couple of things that I need to do today. I know that I have to make Bobo's appointment, and if you guys are not familiar with who I'm talking about, who Bobo is, please be sure to check out my latest vlog, which I just posted yesterday, and I'll insert the thumbnail for that video. If you guys have been keeping up with my channel, then you know exactly who Bobo is. So but yes, I have to make that appointment because he has to get an x-ray done as soon as possible, because not as soon as possible, he does have his next appointment in January, and we also need to clean the house today. So we have like a bunch of things that I need to do. Hold on. You guys, like, y'all would be so proud of me because I literally had like 3 days off of coffee, and yeah, I had 3 whole days like where I did not drink coffee. I drank tea and water only. So if you guys can tell, my skin is kind of glowing today. If you guys didn't know, I am on this little 30-day transformation journey, so I'm super excited for that because I cannot wait to show you guys my results. I've been working so hard, getting up, like I've been up since like 4:30. Yeah, so I've been getting up extra early to like work out, just not even just for the video, but just like for my mental health. So I've been doing that, and I just cannot wait to show y'all the results. I know I'm gonna look so good. Make sure to check out my other vlogs as well. I'll also insert that in the video and in the description box. All right, y'all, so if y'all don't know, this is a show that I've been putting my son onto. It's this show called Akili and Me. This is his favorite show to watch on YouTube, or just like to watch, period. So if you are a parent out there and you don't know what kind of shows to like put on for your baby or your toddler, I would definitely recommend this. It's definitely child friendly, and you guys should watch it to yourselves just to be sure that it is appropriate for your kid. But I really do like this show for my son, so yeah, check it out on YouTube. Once we finish eating breakfast, then I'm just gonna start the day and get into our routine for the day. And yeah, let's get started. My son is literally the pickiest eater when it comes to eating. Like, who taught you not to like food? Like, okay, y'all, so we just got finished eating breakfast, so now we are in the living room, and I brought his pack and play up here. He's just gonna be in his pack and play until mommy finished cleaning up, and I'm just gonna put his show on so he can like at least watch it while I clean up. gonna take a handful of tomatoes. Some of this avocado ranch. Just a little bit. All right, gonna add some of this bahat as well. This is my favorite. I'm just gonna be a little bit generous, just a little bit generous. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. So I'm about to fold it up because I'm actually making it into a burrito. So what I'm gonna do is basically put everything to one side like that, and kind of tuck it, tuck the inside like that. It ain't gonna be perfect, but good enough for me. Like I said, it's not perfect, but y'all get the gist. And I'm about to eat it just like this. My son is so disrespectful. Every time I try to talk, he literally talks over me. We don't need to start getting some whooping. He literally don't even want anything. Like, he's want to be disruptive, don't you? You're finna take a nap. Y'all, let me take a seat. I need a seat. Let me move over some because my closet, this pantry looks a mess. Whew. So yes, girl, I'm tired. I still haven't called around and set up his appointment. The disrespect. Yes, so I'm about to start on dinner, and like I said earlier, we're going to have salmon, and we had made some rice and not rice, we had made some beans and corn the other night. So I'm going to pair that with the salmon, and then I'll add some rice as well. So yeah, let's get to it. This seasoning is the okay? It is the ish. I put this down. Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking. I did put a little bit of water, so a little bit of water in there, and I got some butter in there as well. And this is how it's looking, and we got our timer for, I used to do 20 minutes, but I'm gonna do 18 minutes, and I'm gonna start that now before we put it in, and it's gonna go in the oven. Woo. Come on, here, get the ball. Here, put it in there. Put your ball in there. Get it. Now put it in there. Look, put it in there. Get it. Put it in there. I tried, y'all, but he can't stay focused. Like, every time he see my camera, he think it's time to come grab my camera, and when it's not. What you doing? Look at these, you guys. They look so freaking good. And then I'm making my own type of rice. So I put some seasonings in here. I'm not gonna tell y'all what kind, but I'm trying to make Cajun rice. So yeah, that's the vibes. And then I got some black beans and some corn. So yeah, we're about to eat real good. Alright, y'all, so that is the end of today's vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I will see you guys in the next video.